Let me explain what is defect. If a feature or functionality is not working according to customer requirement or deviation from customer specification is called as defect. Let me take an example and explain what is defect. I took Instagram login page. Requirement says phone number text field should accept valid phone number. It is a mandatory field. Password text field should accept 4 to 7 characters. It is a mandatory field. When user enter valid phone number, valid password, click on login button, it should navigate to home page as per the customer requirement specification. It is not happening according to customer requirement specification means it is a defect. Assume user entered valid phone number and invalid password. Click on login button. He is able to navigate to home page. This is a defect. Let me give another example. When user enter valid phone number, valid password, click on login button, it is leading to blank page or 404 error page or page not found page. This is a defect.